Just open the big door. Well, oh, I can actually get in here and get that out for the plowing match. That'll be good. Well, let's check our grain elevators and stuff.
So, to be honest, Ben, if we wanted to, now that we got that chute from that 65, we could just take the scour clean off and just have the chute, put the chute on and have it just fall straight into the tank.
Yeah, if we want to get around the scour clean.
Save having all that wear and tear on it for no reason.
Yeah. That's assuming it fits, because they might have changed the dimensions. We don't know.
Maybe.
And there's no bolt holes on this one.
Yeah. That's the tank looks like for shit.
No, it looks alright. There's a little stuff in the bottom, but it's all dry.
There you go, Ben. Put these on the case planter units down there.
What, those? Yeah, I got those for the my old Coulters, but Dad was going to put them on his plow, but he doesn't have the longer Coulters on there. Yeah, it was a good idea. Open up the grain elevators on both ends.
Yeah, keep all the triggers out. I don't like wide open spaces.
Did you look at the other side?
Yeah, she's alright. Getting all rusty in there, but they'll last long enough for us to retire. I don't know. We might have to just take the time to put one scour clean screen in once, just to make make it work one more time, and then we can take it off.
Yeah.
Like I said before the show, we'll take one of these off, and we'll take it in and get the right thickness of the board.
And I suppose if the dimensions are right for that up there, you know, it wouldn't hurt just to drill the 4 holes. And
so without the scour clean on there, is there anything actually mounting the auger up there? Or is it just going to be flopping back and forth?
That's a good question. I don't know.
Oh no, it's secured to the tank.
The auger is?
Yeah. If you look over here on the other side, there's
That's loose though, isn't it? Yeah, that's loose. We need to tighten that.
yeah, we do. It's been loose. Other than that, yeah, that'll be fairly sufficient there. That's nice up in here.
Yeah, that doesn't surprise me. How much fuel is left in the tank?
I don't remember. We'll drain it out anyways.
I just want to see.
I want to put the other tank back in. Ooh, something crawled up here and knocked our spark plug wire off.
Probably a raccoon. This
one's knocked that spark plug wire off too.
Yeah, the gas actually looks all right in there. I'd say there's just like 1/8 of a tank or something like that in there. Not much, a little bit.
Yeah, I want to put the small tank on here and just take that off the bottom.
Yep. Well, we can take, leave the stand on this. This will be nice for other duties.
Yeah, I don't know.
Or put it on Kevin's DC if that ever comes back. Yeah, we'll tighten this up, and we could potentially take the scour clean off and just put the little angle logger up there. And you know what? It may only be parasitic, but we'll get a little bit of power back.
Dude, we should have brought the fucking gear down here. We're gonna slow that down a lot.
You sure about that?
Oh yeah, because this is set up differently.
I'll take a look at it. Yeah, well, I see one problem right away. That one has a belt pulley on it for running the reel, and ours didn't.
Yeah, it does.
Oh, maybe you're right.
So the one we've got, it has a gear on this side, a pulley, and then a gear on that side, so you can flip them over.
Yeah, well, let's definitely try that.
So normally you would flip this one, and that was what would change your speed. So let's see here. This drives this. So you want your smallest, actually you want your,
I think we were on the wrong gear, man. That's why I was going so fast. I think we need to go to the bigger gear.
No, hold on.
Because that'd get you over to a 1-to-1 ratio.
You're right. It might actually, yeah. No, just a square nut, and if I can pops off, flips over. I'll have to try that. Have to remember that. Also have to remember to close the rock trap. I need to mount the fire extinguisher so it's actually up it.
Yeah, well, we got
Not
that.
up there though, because if it's on fire up there, the last thing you want to do is go up there to get the fire extinguisher.
And we'll mount it down here or something. As close to the operator as we can get it. But, okay, well, let's close things up. We can head back.